What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So glad that you have subscribed to my channel. I'm super excited. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching, go ahead and click that subscribe button down at the bottom and become part of the family. Today's video, I have something in mind. Super simple, easy, quick, and it's colorful. So if you want to see what I'm talking about and what color I'm going to use today, then keep on watching. Okay, so today I want to start off with my skin. So we're going to start off with the Ole Henriksen. This is the Banana Bright Face Primer. And I love this primer. It's so good. Makes your skin so nice and like it makes your skin so nice and hydrated and just gives you that nice dew to your skin. And I'm looking over here because I do have like a smaller mirror so I can look at. But we just put this all on the face and it gives you like a nice hydrated look to your skin and it smells amazing. And I already did my eyebrows off of camera. I used the ABH brow pencil. I believe the shade I used was dark brown. Yeah, so I used dark brown for my eyebrows. Okay, so we got that on the skin. I'm gonna go in as well with the no problem primer. So no pores, pretty much no problem. So I used this like a few times and I really like this stuff. So we're just gonna do a good amount on there. And then I'm just gonna apply this to this area a little bit, pretty much on your T-zone. I'm pretty sure Lucifer comes out with their new season on Netflix today, and I need to watch it. So let me know if you guys are a Lucifer fan of watching the show. It's really funny. I just really like it. My husband like binge watched it and everything. So also let me know what other shows you guys like to watch on Netflix, because I hate like when you start binge watching on stuff and then all of a sudden you're done watching all the seasons and then like what else are you gonna watch? Who else has that problem? Alright, so I got that on. Time for some foundation. I'm gonna use my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 7.5. I'm gonna apply that to my finger and we're gonna apply this straight onto the skin. I didn't dampen my beauty blender, so I'm gonna use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist Spray and I'm just gonna spray my beauty blender. Kind of apply that. I love this foundation. Who else has tried this foundation out? It's so nice. Like if you like dewy foundation and it doesn't get cakey at all. And I've noticed with this one, because I have really bad smile lines, that this one I don't really have an issue with getting into my smile lines. Like it just goes into those lines effortlessly. So I really love this foundation, even though this shit is expensive. It's really expensive, but it's worth it. I like it. It's gonna be a sad day when I run out. Don't forget your ears. And I do have some breakouts. I don't know, my skin has been going freaking crazy. Like it's been going nuts. Concealer, I'm still using the Jeffree Star Magic Star concealer and I'm using the shade still C8. Still feel like I need a darker shade, but it's it's okay, and use what we got for right now. I really love the packaging. If you guys haven't seen my video, I'll go ahead and link it at the top. With packaging and everything, it's just, this stuff is so good. I look crazy. It's okay. Gonna spray my sponge again. Spray that. Go ahead and blend this out. And it's nice to sometimes leave the under eye last to blend it out, because the more your concealer sets there on your under eyes, the more brightness and coverage you're gonna get under your eyes. Okay, time for some baking using the Magic Star powder in the shade Fair. I'm gonna use some of this, and I'm obsessed with baking now. Like with this formula that Jeffree Star came out with, is just so good. So this is definitely worth your coins for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my under eye. Okay, so if you guys are not part of the BoxyCharm monthly subscription, you guys are missing out for real. So I'll go ahead and link my stuff down below. That way, if you're interested, that link will be down there if you want to check that out. But you get so much good stuff, and you only pay, was it like 21 bucks? So last BoxyCharm, I got this Pure, it's from Pure Cosmetics, their eyeshadow palette. And this is so cute. It's called a Festival, because was a few weekends ago, or was it last weekend? It was Coachella. So they came out with a cute theme, and this is so cute. And it comes like with two pressed like glitters in here, some really pretty neutral shades, and a pop of color. So today I want to play with the pink, and this is called Wild Child. And then actually want to go in with the neutral first. We're going to go with the shade Epic. And then also it came in with a 3-piece set of brushes from Alexi. This is the 209 large shader brush, and it's super, super cute. Really cute. So let's go ahead and use this. And I'm just going to tilt my head back, and we're going to put this in my crease. And this shade is really, really pigmented. Holy crap. I'm just going to use a little bit of this shade, because the main focus in this eyeshadow today is that pink. I like just want it all over. Sorry about my voice. My voice is like super annoying. Over the week I pretty much got like sick, or it was just like allergies, but I ended up like losing my voice a little bit, like especially in the morning and stuff. That's always the worst. But so yeah, well, at least I'm feeling better though, because I was feeling like crap. That's why that last video, like I didn't want to talk or anything or do like a voiceover, so I just put music on there, because your girl was sick. Like I sounded disgusting, and I'm sure you didn't want to hear a voice that sounds worse than this. So yeah. Oh my gosh, this shade is so pretty. Let's go ahead and use the same brush. We're gonna go in with a shade called Wild Child, and that is really pigmented. Holy crap. Okay, let's take some off, like a lot. All right, so I'm gonna apply this to our lid. And then don't worry about fallout. This is why I kept that powder down below. Wow, this is really pretty. I'm sure this is gonna stain my eyes, and I have work tomorrow, of course. That's what happened when in my last video, that blue shade like stain the crap out of my eyes. That's the only thing is when you're using like bright, you know, pigmented shadows, is that shit will stain. But only for like a day or so. So it's not too bad. Okay, and I'm gonna take the same pink and run it on the lower lash line. Okay, I'm actually gonna take one more brush. I need like a fluffier brush, and then I'm gonna pick up the shade Epic and Wild Child and blend, kind of blow out that outer, because this one is not really blending it out, so I need a fluffier brush. Okay, so I'm taking my BH Cosmetics brush and the Marble Set in number 8, and I'm picking up that Epic shade, and we're just gonna blend this part out. I'm gonna take more of Epic and start to blend that pink shade as well. Okay. One more palette that I want to use is the Be Perfect Carnival palette from Stacey Marie, and there's a shade in here called Pink Me, and this is going to be the perfect inner corner shade because it has that hint of a pink, like iridescent. So we're gonna pop that in the inner corner. You see that? That's so pretty. That just gave this look what it needed. So I'm gonna go off the camera and finish up the rest of my face, dust off this powder so I don't look like a crazy person, and let's find a cute lip to match this eye. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I put some bronzer on and some highlight, and this is my first time using the Artist Couture highlight. Like, this one's so pretty. This one's called Purple Dream, and I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it has that tint of purple, which is really pretty. It like complements this eye look, and I'm obsessed. Lashes I used were Lily Lashes in Mykonos. They're super fluttery, so many so many hairs that are in this lash to make it super like fluffy and just really pretty. So obsessed with that. I also went in with my lower waterline with a nude liner just to open up my eyes a little bit because they were looking a little shut. So the last thing for this makeup is the lips, and I'm having a hard time because I have 4 of these lippies. 3 of them are from the I Love Sarai when she did the collab with Dosa Colors. So I have, let me see here. So I have Nude Chica, which is this really pretty nude. And then I have Peachy, really pretty peachy shade. And then I have Barely There, which is a really pretty nude gloss. I probably should go with the nude gloss, right? I'm trying to be like outside of the box with like going with like another hint of like a pink or like taking up a notch from a nude, but I'm such a nude girl, so that's kind of funny. And then I have from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I have Soft Serve, which is like a really pretty pinky, I don't know, let's see. I think that's too much. What do y'all think? I only put a little bit. It doesn't look bad on camera, but looking in person, I'm like, no. Okay, let's try Nude Chica. That one's cute. It's a pretty nudie color. And then let's try peachy in the top lip. All right, let's try peachy. Let's go with peachy. Should we put a gloss on top of it? Starting to set. Let's put, what is this called? Barely There. Do you guys like this a little lip combo? What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. Let me know which color you would use, because I still don't know. I probably still would go like an all nude. This is still like in the nude range, but it's different. It's different for me, mixing and stuff. Okay, you guys, I like changed my lip like 3,000 times, but I went with a nude because I'm a sucker for a nude. I went in with my Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine lip liner, and then with the Dose of Colors I Love Sarai, I use Barely There lip gloss, and I just love this lip gloss. It's so pretty. Yeah, let me know which lipstick you would have used or what color you would have used for this look. I love nudes, so that's why I changed it to a nude. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know with a thumbs up if you did enjoy today's video, as well as be sure to subscribe to my channel. Just click the button down below, and don't forget to click that bell as well right next to it. That way when I post a video, you guys will get notified as well. And I want to try, because I feel like I suck at like uploading videos constantly, and like I'm always skipping like a week or whatever. I want to push myself and do Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So 3 days out of the week, and possibly some videos on a Saturday or a Sunday. So let me know what you think, and if you're excited for me to post 3 times a week, which I would be super excited to, you know, see what I can, you know, come up with, and just try to be all creative and stuff and film for you guys. So yeah, let me know down below. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.